Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will walk you through the process of managing the training and competency of laboratory staff. To manage staff training, go to the Trainings module. Select a training type from the drop-down menu. Click Add Training. Specify the training details such as title, trainer, training start date, training end date, and training status. To associate users or staff with the record, press the Browse icon. Tick one or more users or staff, press Select, and then Save. To import training records from a file, select a training type from the drop-down menu. Click Import from File and then press Upload File. Press Browse. Select an MS Excel or a CSV file and press Open. Press Upload Files and then Upload Data. Now map the column headers in the file with the attributes in the mapping window. This step is important for CloudLIMS to read the data correctly. To save the selection as a template for future use, press Save as Template, enter a template name, and press Save. Press Upload Data. You can see the status of the file import. Now press Close. To edit a training record selected, click Edit Training, make the changes, and press Update. To delete a training record, select it and click Delete Training. To mark staff competency, select a training record and click Mark Competency. Now select Yes or No from the drop-down menu for each user or staff and press Save. To notify about training, select a record and click Send Training Email. Select Training Scheduled or Training Canceled based on the email notification you would like to send. Tick one or more users or staff and press Send. To export the training records, select Export as PDF or Export as XLS or Export as CSV. In the Generate Report window, enter a file name and customize the report using the formatting, page, and advanced options available. Select the attributes you would like to include in the report. To save the selection as a template for using it over again, click Add Report Template, enter a template name, and press Save. Press Generate Report and Stay to generate the report. If there are no further reports to generate, press Generate Report and close. Thank you for watching the video. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call 1-302-789-0447.